In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get SkinClub promo codes, so let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up SkinClub promo code 2023. So once you have done that, you'll have to scroll down until you see this website, Hella Good Marketing. Then you can click on the website. Alright, so once you're on the website, you're gonna see all these codes right here. So SkinClub promo code and review, and this is the list of the codes. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and write all these codes, and then you're gonna get bonuses. As you guys can see, these are the rewards here. So yeah, you're gonna go and put all these things, and you're gonna get free stuff. Well, if these don't work, you can always go to some other website. So let's say I'm gonna close this. Coupon Bird. So this is another website. So I'm gonna go here. So here, as you guys can see, there are many codes. So use skin promo code and enjoy a 10% discount. So if you want a 10% discount, you can click on this, and that's the code right there which you can use for a 10% discount. You can go through all these codes and see which one will be useful to you. Then I can go to some other website as well. So this one right here, I'm gonna wait for it to open. I'm gonna scroll down. So okay, that's a very popular one. So get plus 20% to deposit. So this is one of the most popular codes for this website right now. So yeah, you can use this code and get a 20% deposit. So that's how SkinClub promo code works. And alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.